Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a video. This is a little bit different than my normal videos. I currently had foot surgery about 3 weeks ago, and I have had to have my foot elevated like 90% of the day, so I can't get into my craft room. So I've been doing a lot of online shopping because when there's nothing to do, you just kind of surf the internet. So I'm doing these little videos. These are going to be things the internet made me buy. So this was the first one that came in. So let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what I got. So it's killing me not to be able to craft. It is annoying, and I know I haven't made videos in a long time, and that's because work was crazy. It will be back going crazy once I go back to work in mid-May. So, but we'll see. In the meantime, we're going to have some fun. So, the first thing I saw was some diamond painting, and these were not the typical diamond painting things. These were more dimensional, which I thought maybe I could do this sitting on the couch with my foot up because I don't have to have a lot of stuff with it. So let's go ahead and we're just going to show what I got. So this is a bluebird. I don't remember getting a bluebird, but who knows. Kind of cute. And then you have all the little diamonds, which it does have. Let me pause it so I don't make so much crazy noise. Alright, so these have all different types and all different sizes. So it has some that are more of a diamond shape, which I thought was kind of neat. And then super small ones, so those are way tiny. Anyway, this actually fits in a little stand. It's much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Whoops. I don't need that piece. Well, I want to force it in right now, but it'll stand up, and I thought that maybe it might collect a lot of pretty sunlight. Anyway, this is the first thing that I have coming in. There'll be many more. Anyway, like I said, just a quick little video of crazy things the internet made me buy while I was recovering from foot surgery. Alrighty, I just want to share with you how this came out. It is all completed. It came out really pretty. And it probably took me about 4 hours, maybe. It took me a lot longer than I anticipated this taking. I think it was about 4 hours. But it was a lot of fun to do. You can see all the sparkle. It's going to look really pretty when it is in sunlight. The measurement on this is about 9 inches wide by 9 1/4 tall. But this was a lot of fun to make. And remember when I said I didn't remember ordering a bird? I didn't. I actually did order a butterfly. It shipped the wrong one, so I sent a message. They said, keep this. They'll send me the butterfly. It just pops on and off from the base. So I got another one coming, so I'll be able to do that one. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looked like all completed. And this is things the internet made me buy while recovering from foot surgery. So until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.